Some are calling it a 1 in a million shot. 2 days ago, an owl landed in a helicopter that was providing water drops on the creek fire. It actually flew into the chopper while it was in flight. It then sat next to the pilot for several water drops and left the same way it came in. Our Medeiros Bab with the hoot-warming story.
Called it 1 in a million shot. You know, the guy should go buy a lottery ticket.
An unexpected co-pilot, Dan Alpiner, works for Sky Aviation. He snapped this picture of the owl that flew into his helicopter on Sunday.
Please don't attack me. It kind of spooked me for a quick second there, and yeah, we just kind of locked eyes there, and the thing was chill and looked around. I was like, all right, buddy, you're coming to work with me for a little bit.
The bird snuck into this small window, approximately 16 inches tall and wide. It stayed for 10 minutes as Alpiner made several water drops on the creek fire, and then it bid goodbye.
Yeah, basically just got out where it got in, the same spot. Right when I was doing another drop, I dropped the water and looked out and kind of saw him fly off. So.
The wind created by the helicopter's blade is powerful enough to knock a grown man to the ground. Flight instructor Matthew Dowdy says the only explanation is the bird and helicopter were going the same speed.
Because it would have had to have been perfect timing. As far as the bird going in there, like I said, it seems crazy that it would. It's just a daring bird, I guess.
Usually when aircraft and a large bird meet, it turns dangerous.
Smacked the front window in, and I mean, it took out a good chunk of the windshield.
Back 13 years ago, a seagull hit a Fresno sheriff's helicopter head on, shattering the window.
Hit one of our deputies. Luckily, he had his helmet on with his visor down. They were able to land the aircraft safely at the hospital, and he was treated.
Alpiner grateful him and his new friend flew away safely.
I mean, we get to see a lot of cool things doing this work, but that was something that, you know, I'll take that with me for a long time.
Medeiros Bab, KSEE 24, local news that matters.
And he got such a great picture too.
He did. What, you know, dare I say, what a hoot.
You had to say it.
I had to go there.